Scott Lapola of South Florida Mobile Auto Repair explains how VOYOLink streamlines fleet operations, helping managers work smarter and cut costs.
So Scott, tell me a little bit about your business.
Okay, we are a on-site fleet management, maintenance, and repair company. A lot of our work is third-party work. We go to other businesses, their locations. We repair their vehicles on location. We are using VOYOLink to link their vehicles to our management software to let us know when their vehicles are due for services, to show it, allow us to see any codes that are in any of the modules. Any business that has 20 vehicles or more, we manage their fleets and then we repair them on site. We're taking basically the management away from the fleet manager of these companies and making their job easier so they can focus on things that are more priority for them. It's less
Yeah.
downtime, probably 80% less downtime on their vehicles. They don't have to have their own crew of people shuffle around all their vehicles to different shops, a tire shop, a transmission shop, an engine repair shop, the dealer. There's so many different vendors that do so many different things. We're more or less a one-stop shop for businesses.
How many vehicles do you currently have connected to VOYOLink?
We have roughly 400 vehicles connected to VOYOLink.
Before VOYOLink, what was your process for finding vehicles that needed service?
So we would put them on a rotation, and then every 3 or 4 months, we would call the customer and tell them, hey, what's your mileage at? And they would let us know. And it was a lot of extra work. It was actually starting to cost them more money because we were still keeping them on the rotation and servicing them even when they didn't need to be serviced. Now, using Voyo, it's keeping them on queue. So it's saving them tons of money because they're being serviced when they need to be serviced, not early, not late, on time.
Has that improved your customer relationships?
Yeah, I talk to them a lot less. Because we actually manage their vehicles for them. So any repairs that need to be done, I'm the approval, I'm the say so. So there's a lot less talking to the customers and us just going out and doing what we do best, servicing them, keeping them on the road. Like I said, it's probably 80% less downtime.
What does your day-to-day look like? Like, what does an average day look like?
The first thing we do is we look at all the alerts and we see if there's any service notifications. If there is, we post tickets. We put them on the board, our whip screen, work in progress screen. A lot of times we're days out. They don't even know their own vehicles or when the services are due. The drivers don't say nothing. The managers love us because it's actually making their jobs easier and their performance looks much better. Their pay, their bonuses are based on productivity, and they're getting done on time all the time on their job sites. That we are priceless to them, they say.
Are you doing more maintenance than before you had VOYOLink?
100% we're doing more maintenance, yes, because all the vehicles are being maintained and watched. Where their fleet manager, his job is to not only manage their fleet and register and insure vehicles and this and that. And you got one guy running, 250 trucks and another 200 pieces of equipment and 200 trailers. He's way overloaded on his work.
How many vehicles are connected through Samsara to VOYOLink?
In terms of Samsara, we have 261 vehicles connected.
Have you had any feedback from your Samsara customers on any improvements to their service?
Yeah, I mean, that's like we were talking about the managers of these companies. Their productivity is going up. It's making the managers of these companies look good. So they're getting a data boy and they're getting bonuses. And because of that, they love us.
To learn how VOYOLink can improve fleet service and operations, email us at contact@voyolink.com.